Hey there! Welcome back to our channel where we share tips and tricks to help you become the best version of yourself. In today's video, we're going to talk about something that everyone wants, but very few achieve: getting rich in your 20s. Yes, you heard it right. Getting rich in your 20s is possible, and in this video, we're going to show you how. 1. Set clear financial goals. The first step towards getting rich in your 20s is to set clear financial goals. You need to have a plan for your money and know exactly what you want to achieve. Whether it's buying a house, starting a business, or saving for retirement, having a clear financial goal will help you stay focused and motivated. 2. Live below your means. One of the biggest mistakes young people make is spending more than they earn. To get rich, you need to live below your means and save as much as possible. This means cutting back on unnecessary expenses, like eating out or buying new clothes every month. Instead, focus on saving and investing your money wisely. 3. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is one of the best investments you can make. This means investing in your education, your skills, and your health. The more you invest in yourself, the more opportunities you'll have to increase your income and build wealth. 4. Start a side hustle. Starting a side hustle is a great way to earn extra money and build wealth in your 20s. Whether it's selling items online, freelancing, or starting a small business, there are many ways to make extra money in your spare time. Just be sure to choose a side hustle that aligns with your skills and interests. 5. Invest in the stock market. Investing in the stock market is one of the best ways to build wealth over the long term. While there are risks involved, investing in stocks can provide you with a high return on your investment if done correctly. Be sure to do your research and invest in companies that have a track record of success. 6. Network and build relationships. Networking and building relationships are essential for building wealth in your 20s. The people you know can open doors for you and provide you with opportunities you wouldn't have otherwise. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and connect with people on LinkedIn to expand your network. There you have it, 6 tips for getting rich in your 20s. Remember, building wealth takes time and patience, but with the right mindset and strategy, anyone can achieve financial success. So set clear goals, live below your means, invest in yourself, start a side hustle, invest in the stock market, and network like crazy. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.